Sandvik rebuilds offer you a way to maintain your machines. Reliability and productivity offer their fulfill engineered life cycles. It preserves productivity, extends operational life, and reduces running costs. With the Sandvik rebuilds, servicing is done to the highest standard to the exact machine's specifications. As original manufacturers, we have access to original machine drawings and have an unmatched understanding of how your equipment should operate.
Every Sandvik machine we engineer, we prioritize safety, reliability, and apply the right technology to provide the world-class quality and after-sales services. We quickly and conveniently restore the Sandvik D245s rotary blast hole drill to its former glory. Return to peak performance with Sandvik rebuild solution.
Our Sandvik rotary blast hole drills are designed to offer you the highest productivity rates in large quarry and surface mines. Sandvik are deeply embedded in Indonesia with units across various gold and coal mining locations throughout the region.
Sandvik Rebuild Solutions support your most vital equipment throughout their life cycle. Rebuilds improve your reliability and use genuine high-quality Sandvik parts to reduce the risk of future failures and downtime. They typically take between 4 and 6 weeks in our workshop. The drill is returned to its original productivity, durability, and reliability. You get a second life from your existing equipment, including the Sandvik D245s rotary blast hole drill.